Hello, my dear friends. My name is Oksana. I live in Ontario, Canada. Originally, I'm from Ukraine, from Odessa. That's why you can hear my weird accent sometimes. Why my channel called Vintage Kitchen? Because I'm 50 years old, and wherever it's over 50, it's considered vintage. Wherever it's over 100, considered antique. No, I'm just kidding. I am 50, but my channel called Vintage Kitchen because I do love old-fashioned way of cooking, of entertaining. I am a big fan of antique shops. I have lots of vintage and antique dineware. I love vintage cooking books. That's why my channel called Vintage Kitchen by Oxy. I'm not a recipe creator. I mostly take them from the vintage books. Plus, I collected my recipe all over the internet for the more than 20 years. I check them all. I guarantee the result. So if you try something from my channel, you can be sure the result is gonna be great. What you should expect from my channel? Mostly it's everyday fast meals with a little twist on it. Some of them really restaurant quality, but done at home for less than 30 minutes. As much as I love to cook and I love to entertain, I am sure we all have other stuff to do. So everyday dinner shouldn't be more than half an hour, 1 hour, and we shouldn't spend our life in the kitchen. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, press this thumbs up, leave your comments. It's very important for me. I'm not doing it for money. My channel is my hobby, my way to create something. And I'm always happy to see new friends who loves good food and entertainment as much as I do. And I hope I see you next time.